Well, we did. Today's the second round of the winter series at Magilligan, sponsored by Beyond Signage. And you're not riding. Why are you not riding? Show us your arms. So you have a completely broken left arm and a buckle fracture in your right arm. What you do?
The throttle stuck in my bike and I put my arms out and no way.
Throttle stuck on your bike. 2 broken arms. So we're messing around here the winter series, but we should be good to go for the third round of the winter series, shouldn't we? Yeah. It's the most chilled your daddy's been since because daddy can just sit here and drink his cup of coffee and he's not running about trying to get bikes ready, to get you ready and get everything sorted. So I'm gonna have my coffee and grab a quick shower and then we'll get out. So get a hoodie on you, get your coat on, get your socks and boots and stuff on, and go out and play. There's plenty of people out there to play with. Alright, wee man? Yeah. Good man. Well folks, second round of the winter series. Obviously Josh can't do it. Been a bit of rain, so sand is looking in prime condition. Brave crowd here, look at that view. You know what I mean? Where else would you get it? Just a pity it wasn't warm. It's absolutely Baltic, hence why it's called the winter series. But yeah, look at that track. Amazing. Philip puts in serious amount of work. Like I heard his tractor starting this morning at about 5:30 just to go around the punches to it. So you be careful with those arms, alright? Do not fall, do any more damage. Well, Jimmy Jam, how are you going to do today? Did you get any stickers on your bike? What number are you?
48.
48, yes, give me some knuckles. Yes, good man. Boys all playing, having fun? That's a big dog. Huh?
Yeah, I'm in Joshua Foster's videos. Hello.
Hello everybody.
Hi.
This here's the PBs in the beginner race and they're off. Away they go. Oh, and Jimmy Carmichael's full shot at it and he's away. He's away. There we go. There we go. On the PB beginner race. Young Jimmy Carmichael's full shot at it there. I wonder will he keep his lead right round. Jimmy's still on, he's still going. Young Jimmy, keep going, wee man. Go ahead, lady. Go on, go on. Come on. And there's me, Dylan McCauley. Come on, Dylan. Good man. Come on. There's what it's all about there. Even the kids who aren't riding are having fun. Just enjoying themselves, having good fun. Everybody just enjoying themselves. The view here in the north coast, so I don't know if you can see that there in the distance. That's Donegal across there. That's the Atlantic. It's some setting for a motocross track. You know, it really is. That's the entrance there to track 1, so that would be the pro track, the faster ones. But it's youth only series today and the autos are just about to start, which would be Josh's class. So he's a wee bit teary about it, that he's missing out, but hopefully make it for the third round. There's a 5-second board up now. 5 seconds, about for a gate drop. Wonder who's going to hold shot it here when they're all away. They're going, and Jack Quinn gets a hole shot by a mile, by an absolute mile. Well done to wee Jack. Well done to wee Jack. So who we got coming around here in first place? Looks like it's wee Freddie Carmichael. Second place here, Jack Quinn. And then we're bringing Mason away. Callum Beatty coming up next. The sand's wet and it's deep today. Sand is wet and deep. There's some more. Two Freddie Carmichaels. Well in front in this one. Who's coming up behind him? Oh, we Caleb Duffy. He is flying. And Jack Quinn sitting in third place. Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on. There's Ree Mason sitting fifth. Somebody's down. Somebody down there. Yellow flag being waved. There's Callum Beatty coming up. Oh, he's doing well there. And on the side. Great fun watching these autos. Future of the sport, getting through that deep sand today, where it's wet and it's deep and it's mucky and it's rutty. Fantastic. And then wee wheels. That looks like wee Archie coming up. Is it wee Archie? Hard to see. Yes, wee Archie. Brilliant riding from others. Wee Jake Sayers. My Josh just wishes he was out there today, right in the middle of all that. He's sitting up there with two broken arms, watching, not very happy with himself. There's me Darren Rice, me Tommy. And who's that coming up now? Number 6. I don't know who that is, not sure. There's the 65s about to go. Some of them have just moved up from the 50s, so some of Josh's wee friends. Who's all shotting it there? Oh, wee Ethan Gawley. There's wee Cole McCauley coming in there now. Evan Oliver, Roy. All slowed down for the hairpin. A good lot of the automatics. It's their very first race in the 65, so they're just learning the ropes. There's the 65s coming around their first lap onto the whip section, and wee Ethan Gawley taking the whip. Yep. And who's coming in second there? Number 9. Third place is coming into number 13. Not sure who that is. Rutherford, is it? Yep. Oh, there's Max. There's Brad. Wee Cole, looks like Cole. Oh, brilliant. Go on, Cole. Joshua's wee buddies have just moved up to the 65, so this is his, I think it's only his second race in the 65, so there's another one of Josh's wee buddies, wee Troy. Go on, Troy! And there's wee Josh Graham. Come on, wee Josh! Brilliant with the 65s, because you know some of them were on they were riding automatic there 3 months ago, and now they're on the 65s. So there's Paul McCauley over there flying away. Just getting the grips to the 65. No better place to hold a beginner's race than the winter series here at Magilligan. But even look at that there, the wet sand. You know, it's a challenge to them. There's wee Jersey. Go on, Jersey! Absolutely fantastic to see some of the future of the sport coming on. Race 2 of the automatics about to start again. My Josh, he's absolutely heartbroken now that he's not in there, because the rain stayed off and the track's in prime condition. So who's whole shot at this time? Oh, and we have number 99. Oh, Jack Quinn whole shot at the end. Jack Quinn whole shot at the end. And they're all getting stuck up there and they're tied up in the corner there. We feel it. Who's coming in behind him? Wee Jack Quinn. Go on, Jack. Mummy Mom, let's go. Third place, wee Jack Knox. Go on, Jack. Fourth place, wee Mason. Go on, Mason. Who's coming up next? Fifth place, wee Callum Beatty. Callum Beatty, and off the Edwards. Be Cameron! The rain pelted down here last night. Look at that track, you know, perfect, absolutely perfect. Not even a cloud in the sky. That's the 85's coming round now. Small wheel 85
on the way. We're now going big wheel 85 competitors to the line.
Coming round there in their first lap.
Big wheel 85 competitors to the line.
See who's leading here in the small wheel 85s. The kids starting to get fast. There's all the auto dads doing the infamous auto dance. Everything has to be smoothed out. I think it's only the auto dads that do that. I don't think the 65 dads do that. Everything has to be smooth and ready. Shane Lavery's the best one at it there, like he has some dance moves. Bit of a different view here, where the auto's just getting started. I just get myself into a decent position. The future of the sport there, 15 of them all lined up, all ready to rock. Hey Jimmy! Oh, it's Big Davey giving a wave and a dance. Never too old to dance. Number 3, wee Caleb there in the far left. Wee Jack Quinn beside him, and then looks like wee Jack Knox, and then Freddie Carmichael, and then looks like wee Jake Sayers, and Matthew Edwards, and Nathan. And Jack Quinn is away! Jack Quinn is away! Full shot at all 3 races there, wee Jack Quinn. Let's see if he's still in the lead coming around here. Yep, he's still in the lead there. Still in the lead, going ahead. Follow closely, baby. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. Some action from the autos here, and it looks like wee Caleb Duffy coming in. Third. Come on, Caleb. Flying he is. Flying. Some lead. It looks like Freddie Carmichael coming up second. Coming along there. Freddie in second place. Jack Knox in third place. Yeah. Jack Quinn in fourth. Come on, Jack. It's one of our sponsored riders, wee Jack. Brilliant kid. Not sure where 5th place is or who 5th place is. 5th place looks like wee Callum Beatty, it's looking like. It's looking like wee Callum. Doing really well. Come on, Callum. And there's wee Nathan James. It's the future of this sport. I'm not even sure who that is coming up next because they're covered in that much sand I can't even see who they are. Looks like it's wee Jake Sayers. Wee Jake, come on Jake. And there's the orange Jake. Oh, Jake, go on, boy. Here's what this winter series is all about. Kids playing, having fun in the sand, enjoying themselves. No pressure, no hassle, just everybody having fun. Some setup, beautiful set. You know, it really is. It's unbelievable for these kids. And they are the future of this sport. You know, and fair play to Mr. McCulloch standing there in the distance. You know, he's put a lot of work and effort into this, and he's done this for the youth, for the future of our sport. And You know, nobody else is doing anything like this for the youth, and it's just, these are the people who are going to be the experts and the semi-experts in 10, 15 years time. So they need to be looked after now, you know, and some of the action coming through here, even from these auto riders, is absolutely unbelievable. Pulled through that deep sand. Yeah, absolutely fantastic event.